Aloha, I'm Jenn Sojot, and here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors of the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Hawaii health officials today reported 3 new coronavirus-related deaths and 58 additional infections. The latest figures bring the statewide total since the start of the pandemic to 457 deaths and 28,950 infections. Today's new infection cases include 24 on Oahu, 22 on Maui, 7 on the Big Island, 1 each on Molokai and Kauai, and 3 state residents designated outside of Hawaii. Health officials also reported 4 new hospitalizations of coronavirus patients. Hawaii's infection and hospitalization rates continue to remain among the lowest in the nation, but the number of active infections has been rising steadily over the past week. Active infections are those that have been diagnosed over the past 14 days. There are now a total of 897 currently active infections in the state. Honolulu city officials will close Cocoa Crater Trail on weekdays for 3 weeks, starting Monday, to make safety improvements at the popular hiking destination. The work will also close all of Cocoa Head District Park, including the trail and the Cocoa Head Shooting Complex, on Monday and 3 other days in April, when a helicopter will be used. The safety work includes removal of debris from tunnels and shafts, sealing the shafts and tunnels, and installing signs to warn visitors of unsafe conditions. The Cocoa Crater Tramway Trail will be closed to the general public on weekdays for 3 weeks that the overall work is being done, but it will remain open to the public on weekends and holidays. The Cocoa Crater Trail is one of Oahu's most popular hiking destinations, attracting hundreds of residents and visitors every day. A 23-year-old man was seriously injured when he was shot on Kinau Street near Ward Avenue early this morning. The shooting happened just before 2 a.m. on the 700 block of Kinau Street, according to the city's Emergency Medical Services Department. EMS said the man was shot in his left buttocks. City paramedics treated him and transported him to a hospital in serious condition. A portion of Kinau Street up to Ward Avenue was closed for more than 2 hours as police investigated. The LPGA announced today that it is moving the LOTTE Championship tournament to the Kapolei Golf Club. The 144-player field will compete April 14th to the 17th with a $2 million overall purse and $300,000 for the winner. The LPGA said the tournament will follow a no-spectator COVID-19 protocol and will be broadcast on the Golf Channel. It is the LPGA Tour's first stop at Kapolei since the Ladies Hawaiian Open from 1996 to 2001. The previous 8 LOTTE events were held at Ko'olina, which was unable to host the tournament this year. Finally today, the Library of Congress has added Israel Kamakawiwa Ole's rendition of Somewhere Over the Rainbow, What a Wonderful World to the National Recording Registry. The registry preserves recordings that are considered part of our national heritage, including Thomas Edison's first sound recording. Mountain Apple Records says Iz's version of Somewhere Over the Rainbow recently logged over 1 billion views on YouTube. The song is nearly 30 years old and has been featured in dozens of movies, TV shows, and commercials. Iz's widow, Marlene, said the latest honor is a blessing for their ohana. The Library of Congress began a social media campaign this morning to highlight this year's selections to the National Registry. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at staradvertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile